Here is how you can turn off the name suggestions on iPhone. So let me show you what you probably mean by that and teach you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss more videos and guides from Foxtecc. Anyways, you probably mean that whenever you click on share on, for example, photos or anything else, you get some people suggested to you. And if you don't want that, you can turn it off by going to the settings and finding the option or menu which is called Siri. In some cases, it might be called Apple Intelligence and Siri, which depends on your region and the phone generation, like the iPhones older might have just the Siri, whatever. But you click on that option, and below you can find the suggestions menu of toggles. And in there, what you likely want to turn off is the show when sharing, which are the sharing suggestions of random people. But obviously, there are even more suggestions, so you can as well just disable all of the things, perhaps, right? So it is up to you to decide. Yeah, you can even see that it suggests apps, so you might like that, but perhaps you want to turn off the sharing suggestions, right? So that is the way to make it work. If you come back to the main settings page, you can as well go to the search menu, and there you have some recent searches as well as related content when you're trying to search for stuff. So you can as well disable these suggestions right there in here if you don't want to see some other stuff showing up whenever you perform some searches. But I guess it really is a personal thing, so it depends on your preference. So I would just really love to hear your thoughts below. If the video has worked out well for you, just hit the thumbs up to let me know. But subscribe for more, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.